Here we go. We have a question, nth natural number. So you have given a positive number n and you need to find nth natural number after removing all the numbers containing the digit 9. So if we need to find eighth natural number, the answer is 8. But if we need to find the ninth natural number, the answer is 10, because we have a natural number that contains 9, so we have to avoid this. So the next natural number is 10. So that's about it. Let's build the approach. Suppose if we have a number 12. So let me first, so this is base 10. Let me first convert into base 2. So we have number 12. If we divide it with 2, so we divide till the number is greater than 0. So if it is divisible by 2, if it is divisible by 2, we write 0, then 6. This is still, we have a remainder 0, we have a remainder 0, then it will give us uh, 3. Then we again divide it with 2, it will give us 1, and we have a remainder 1. Then if we again try to divide it with 2, it will give us 0 with remainder 1. So the answer is look like this. As you can see, this is power 0, 1, 2 and 3. So 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2 and 2 raised to power 3. 2, this is 4, this is 8, plus 0 plus 0. So it is 12, as you can see. So here, as you can see, we have converted into base 2. We have converted into base 2. The value is in the range of 0 to 1, and in this base 10 we have a values of 0 to 9. I'm talking about one slot. So here one slot signifies or contains the value in the range of 0 to 9. If I if I convert this number into base 9, so base 9 conversion is very difficult, and if I have to convert, then the value in one slot will be in the range of 0 to 8. I'm talking about base 9. So how to convert this number into base 9? So uh, in this, what we are doing, we are dividing the number with 2 and we are taking the remainder itself. If I divide the number with 9, so uh, the value is 3 here, and so the value is 1 here, and 3 is the remainder. Then if I again try to divide it with 9, it will give us 0, the remainder is 1. So here we have 13. So 12 in the form of base 9, we have 13. What it means is, we have a number between range of 1 to 12, we have a number that contains 9. So the nth natural number will be 13. Here we have 13. So that's how we will find this. So the nth natural number in base 9 will give us the nth natural number that does not contains 9. So we just need to convert the given number into base 9. We know how to convert this number into base 2. It is pretty simple. We first have to know how to convert a number into binary number. Then we just change uh, the value of 2 with the value of 9 to convert the given number into base 9. So that's about it. Let's code this. So first let me tell you how to convert a number into base 2. So we first have answer, then a place where the number is placed. So on the first iteration, the number is placed on first place, then on the second place. So first, uh, first we have a remainder. We are getting the remainder. Then we have to add this number into left hand side. So first the number is placed on first location, then on the second location we are moving left hand side. Then we have to divide it with 2 because we had taken the remainder. Then we have to multiply our place because we have to go to left hand side, and at the end return our answer. So that's about the conversion of number to binary number, means the base 2. If we have to convert into base 9, we just need to convert into 9, and here also 9. So let's submit this. The code is given in the description box. If you guys have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. Let's talk about time complexity. So if we have to convert a number into binary number, we are dividing the number with 2. So if we are uh, dividing our range half, then our time complexity is log n. Here we are dividing with 9, so that time complexity is log n also, and space is constant. Thank you all for watching.